Alright guys, we're back here doing the MGB. You see we got our nice little vinegar water. I'm sorry if I don't sound motivated, but I freaking hate this. I hate body work. Because I know once I do this, then we're going to end up doing the body work, and that means sanding, and that means freaking dust all over the freaking place, and I can't freaking, But we got to do what we got to do. But I am just not I'm just not feeling motivated to do any of this. So we might as well get as much of this vinegar water done as we can. I'm not going to do that door. We'll do that last. But we'll do the valance, and then we will do the bolt defenders. Don't know whether or not I'm going to take them off. They're not bolted on, so it's not really going to matter. But anyway, let's get started. You know, my friend Pete, mix it 4-to-1. Just take a guess. Don't use straight vinegar. But here we go. You know, let's get to work. Gotta get this done before I even remotely start freaking doing any of the body work, putting anything on. Maybe I'll get motivated as we go further and further into this. But I doubt it. At least it looks good. And it sucks a little bit while you're not motivated, because then when you're not motivated, you kind of tend to do a shittier job because you're just not focused. But I think I can handle it. You know, pretty soon, hopefully next week, we will start on the door skin. I know I'll have that Saturday, so that'll be fun. That'll be a fun video to make. You know, considering that a couple YouTubers and me were looking for videos on how to do the door skin on an MGB. Please forgive me if I can't remember your name. But he couldn't find one, or her, don't know. I think it's him. He couldn't find one, and I couldn't find one either. That's all I need is for the water to freaking dump all over the ground. So that'll be fun, knowing that hopefully if I do it right, I'll probably have the only YouTube video out there replacing an MGB door skin. So how cool is that? Let me ask you, what's the nicest car you've ever been able to drive? Maybe drive her boss.
how much they paid for this thing? $50 million. One car. The price thing is a 1963 Ferrari 250 GTO. Carries 174 miles an hour. Apparently, it's one of the top 3 GTOs in the world. And even with all that money, it still doesn't come with Bluetooth. 99.5 to the mountain.
That old car may not come with Bluetooth, but you can install it. Because guess what? My house didn't come with Bluetooth, and I think I can install Bluetooth in my house. I don't know, just thinking outside the box. And you don't even really have to alter the car. I've seen people to where they put updated radios in their old vehicles and they haven't done a damn thing. They haven't cut nothing.
For years you've been thinking about LASIK, you've been talking about LASIK, and now there's never been a better time to do something about LASIK.
You know, why is it the people on TV, and I recommend you don't watch fucking TV anymore, excuse my language.
If you're nearsighted, farsighted,
Get rid of cable.
LASIK Plus, America's most recommended LASIK provider, can help fix your vision for only $250. Our best price ever.
It always seems like the people that are actually talking all that crap don't know what the hell they're talking about. Oh, that old car doesn't have YouTube, it doesn't have Bluetooth on it. Put Bluetooth on it. Spent $50 million on the freaking car. I'm sure he can afford a couple $100 to have somebody install one for him.
844-261-2020. Visit LASIK250.com. Results may vary. Restrictions.
Not to mention the fact that that's probably not the reason why he wanted the car. Oh, it doesn't have Bluetooth? Nah, I don't want it.
Motorcycle meanderings.
Let that sit. Let's bring up the fender. Hopefully this will be the last time we have to do this. Now, even though this does have Bondo on it, it's not going to hurt the Bondo.
Just off that baseball mitt, because it's not the most ball. Some of those baseballs in the back and the front brake. Of course, it's not all about who scores for the balls. It's about having fun with your team, getting your gloves on, and showing a little comfort with it. Whether you're playing fast pitch or slow pitch softball, or center baseball, stop by your local center.
Unless he used some kind of crazy Bondo to freaking that would come off on vinegar, but I'd like to see that.
Our lowest price ever. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto receivers, $299. JVC Bluetooth receiver, $59. Kenwood multimedia receiver, just $299.
There we go.
Plus a free backup camera. All Kenwood and Kicker subwoofers. Buy one, get one half price. Just good for dad.
See, got a Car Toys commercial right there. There's your Bluetooth. If you're so concerned about it. We have to be constantly on our phone. You know, he could have at least welded that.
So I went to QualityAutoSound.com and I see why. They have awesome specials on everything Dad wants. Like a complete Alpine.
It looks like I'm gonna have to weld that. That's freaking great. Wow. I believe this will be the last time I'll have to do this. At least it freaking better be.
Get lost in space in your own backyard. Watch a series of unfortunate events
Hey! Now, I'm not worried about the underside of this because I did the underside before I gave him this. And I pour 15 it. So, how about that? You ever wonder what will take off pour 15? It looks like vinegar water will do it. Alright, that'll probably do it for this part. We'll bring up the other one, we'll bring up everything when we start to clean it. Shouldn't take long. Just let it sit. Let it do its magic. And then we'll bring you back on and we'll do the next part. You know, it seems like a lot of the stuff that I end up doing, I don't think people want to really watch me freaking sand that for 20 minutes. At least I don't. I wouldn't want to watch myself do it. But hey, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, but video number 2 will be coming up here shortly. Peace, guys.